Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use WhatsApp View Once voice message feature. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open your WhatsApp application. Once you've done that, you want to open any specific chat, and all you need to do is tap and hold on your voice, or you can even lock it on the top just like that. Once you've done so, you want to simply go ahead and tap and hold on your send voice message button, or what else you can do is, this is just Meta AI, so I can't just do view once. So I'm going to go ahead and do it on a random chat real quick. So let's just say, for example, I am going to go ahead and do it right over here. Simply go ahead and tap and hold on that. And then I'm going to simply go ahead and lock my voice message right over here. As you can see, there's this little one icon, which is going to go ahead and keep it at voice message set to view once. So it is as simple as that, and you can send it to people. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.